In the book of Jeremiah, God says, "I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Don't let the enemy steal your joy. Don't let negative thoughts take root in your mind. Believe that God's favor is with you, that He is guiding you, that He is opening doors that no man can shut. Right now, I want you to make a decision. Say, "I'm going to walk in faith. I'm going to walk in victory. I'm going to trust God, even when I don't understand, because I know His favor is on my life." When you live with that kind of attitude, you'll see God move in ways you never thought possible. He'll take you places you never dreamed. He'll heal what seems unhealable, restore what seems broken beyond repair, and bring blessings into your life that exceed your expectations. So today, don't look at what's wrong, look at what's right. Look at the goodness of God. You are favored, you are blessed, and your best days are still ahead of you. God bless.